Chaos can also occur in our minds. We have to deal with multiple ambitions, multiple thoughts, multiple ideas, multiple desires. Then we become agitated, and because there's something boiling in our minds, then peace becomes a mirage at that time. What do you do? Even if the world has settled down, we still can't find calmness unless you go to nature, the hub of nature, somewhere on the countryside, being close to rivers and lakes and oceans, forests, watching the sunrise and the sunset and the birds.